What makes a muscle grow bigger? Easy. Lifting lots and lots of weights, right? Well, not exactly.
Huh?
That is only part of the process. To understand, let's look at a muscle more closely. You see, a muscle is made up of long fiber-like strands. These are called fascicles. Inside of these are more strands, the muscle fibers. But wait, there's more. Inside of these muscle fibers are more strands called myofibrils. When you lift heavy weights, you cause tiny tears in the myofibrils. This is why you might be sore the next day after working out. Now is when the immune system kicks in to fix the trauma. Proteins, called cytokines, descend on the damaged areas. These proteins direct the repair. Surrounding the muscle fiber is a layer of satellite cells, which are muscle stem cells. The cytokines order them to start multiplying. The new cells descend down to the tears. Once there, they fuse with the fibers, regenerating the muscle fiber and increasing the size of the whole muscle. So, when a person lifts heavy weights, he actually injures the muscle. The immune system repairs the damage by growing the muscle bigger. Now the muscle has adapted to lift heavier weights. But that is only part of the story. You see, for this guy to become this guy, he needs protein, the building block of muscle. Typically, to gain muscle, a person needs to eat 1 gram of protein for every pound of muscle mass in the body each day. Yet that still isn't enough. There is a little matter of genetics. Skinny guys have a higher metabolism and a lower muscle mass. Big guys have higher testosterone levels and are predisposed to put on more muscle mass. Don't despair, skinny guys. Since those big guys have a lower metabolism, they put on fat easier too. And fat covers muscle and hides definition. In men, a body fat percentage of less than 10% is needed to see those six-packs. If you have a higher metabolism, you are more likely to see these instead of that old beer gut. So while lifting weights is going to kickstart muscle hypertrophy, its effectiveness is going to hinge on both diet and genetics.